It is your friend, not your financial advisor. CryptoFace, aka the General, aka the Governor, the Diplomat, the most sought after YouTuber this year. So, we're going to talk about portfolio management and diversification. And I know what some of you are thinking right away. If you've been a member of this channel, you've known how I feel overall about dApps or smart contract Ethereum type things, type platforms, type ventures. And we've always had a couple problems. Let me tell you my problems. And I was in P3 and everything. Number one is there is never a set amount, expected amount that you can expect to make passively every single day, right? With P3D, you never knew how much you're gonna make. It's just a lot in the beginning when it's FOMOing, and then it's pretty much damn near nothing when it's not for the most of the time. So that's number one. No consistent daily dividends, daily pay. Number two is the Ethereum contractors up until today, I'm never able to really, haven't been able to communicate and work with the ownership themselves like I have been able to with Arbitraging, right? I can always call Daddy David Peterson. I get to hear his thoughts. I get to share some of mine, and I get to have a better ear to the ground of what the future's gonna bring. So that would be number two. So what I normally don't have, why I'm normally not in any smart contracts. Number three, I don't know where I'm at. Here's what I'm gonna say. I have been presented an Ethereum contract opportunity that's an open source contract that anyone can audit and check out, right? Yes, the Oracle presented this yesterday, and yes, he is the one who actually yesterday he gave me a call when I was sleeping. Let's be completely honest right now. I was sleeping yesterday. And I get a call from our friend, the Oracle. And he says, hey, I got an opportunity. Come check this out. Come check this out. And at first I was like, I'm going to get a bunch of shit there. Everyone's going to say I'm going to do some Oracle. The Oracle's some bullshit. But I don't care what anyone says. Me and him have a good thing going on. We make a good team. We provide good entertainment. And that's what we're supposed to be doing here on YouTube. Entertain. I think some of you forgot about that. Some of us like to sprinkle a little bit extra on top. No one has made more money on any other YouTube channel than we have, guaranteed. Even with our losses, even with all the crap happening in the past, Winklevoss, whatever, from the bot trading, profit trader, crypto hopper, to Arbitra, to everything we've done. I'll take the Pepsi challenge with any other YouTuber, So I am officially today adding an Ethereum contract platform where you're not able to get exit scammed. That's why everyone likes these. I'm not in Zether. I think it's too late to get in Zether. I wasn't in any of the other ones, but I'm gonna be in on this. So let me tell you guys why. And then we'll have to do a follow-up on the different things you can do in here. But number one, I have spoken with the creator, the developer, the CEO, the founder myself. And he is American. Everything has its pluses and minuses. Someone's like, oh, he's American, you're going to get in trouble. Well, no, I think he'll be all right. He's American, cool dude. He's got kids. I heard him in the background. And I think he's got good work ethic from what I could tell. And he's got, you know, he wants us to succeed, which means that he's humble, he's open, yet he's assertive. So just like with arbitraging, I'm able to speak with the guy in charge. That's number one. Number two, there's currently 3 separate ways that this generates some sort of income or does something. Number one is the earn game. Now, the earn game gives you 0.5% a day. That means we know. Let's fast forward that. All right. So this gives us a clear path of one of the ways we can actually earn these daily dividends, and that is the name Daily Divs, which I really like the name Daily Divs. But now I know, okay, I can actually expect 0.5% of what I put in every day, not who knows how much. Every single person that you talk to in pre-3D, you ask them, what do you earn per day on average? They cannot and will not give you an answer, right? So I have an answer here, 0.5. No, it might not be the target, quote unquote, 1% everyone wants, but 0.5%, you know, I'm cool with that. That's one way. The other way is the exchange game. I'm pretty sure it's 25% one way. It's either when you buy in or when you sell out. 5% goes to something, and 20% goes into the contract. You guys can read it here. I'm not here to read it. Go to the site, read it yourself. You don't need to sign up, but look into it yourself. And then the lotto. Now here's what I like about the lotto is we're in early. There's an hourly, a day, and a week lotto. And I'm gonna be playing this lotto when there's not many people in this yet. This is the first, this thing just launched today. Today it launched, smart contract. There's big YouTubers already getting behind it. Oracle, he's behind it. Me, I'm putting money into this. And I'm sure there's gonna be other people coming in too. Now, the gentleman that has created this, I've already bounced a few ideas, things I've wanted. I was like, you know, I've always wanted one of these damn poker platforms. Why can't there be a poker site? No one's done poker and dividends for all their people and whatnot. Apparently, it's really hard to do. It requires a big team, and that run a poker site itself is a big ordeal, which makes sense because there's companies that are dedicated and all they do is the poker thing. So, this is, you know, it's. I don't want to call it a work in progress because it is a finished product, but there'll be dice games and other things, I'm sure, here. So, what really separates this, to me, from the others, is I'm able to, I have an open line of communication with the man himself. It's the contract stuff, so it's all open. Everyone can go in there. All the nerds can go and audit it and do whatever. And it looks nice. It gets the job done. And it's early. I like the owner, the people. I always said the people at the top is what matters most. You can have the best turkey sandwich in the country or in the world, but if the owner doesn't put any ads in the paper or anything, you know, you're not gonna sell any turkey sandwiches. So I like being on the board, and I feel that I will have pull, that my thoughts, my tune to the market matter. And that's really important because I believe in myself. I have worked with some of the biggest corporations in the world, to small businesses, to everything in between of all different shapes and sizes, products, services, you name it. So I am an asset, and anyone that I work with that can appreciate that and welcome that in, I have respect for. It's kind of like if there's a woman who's, let's say, a little bit below my standards, but she really likes me, and I've had a few drinks, I feel like I owe it to her. I owe it to her to bless her with, you know, a little bit of time of myself, because she appreciates me. I appreciate people that appreciate me. And for that reason, I'm in. So this is gonna be the first, besides P3D, Ethereum smart contract, dividend, passive income. That's where the money's at. You know, with arbitraging right now, guys, I know a lot of you guys are holding tokens and shit. I put more in the A bot, because I know when this price goes up, how many people are selling. This isn't BitConnect. This is different. People are a little, I guess, I wanted to say people are smarter than they used to be, but sometimes that's questionable. But I don't think this token price is going to shoot up to $400 anytime soon. I think it's, whatever. I like the passive income. I like pulling my money out, earning it every day, and having a set sight. I know that I'm going to be able to earn 0.5% of whatever I put in per day, plus the other stuff that's in here. And, you know, if I got the ear. I got the ear. So, and these contracts can't exit scam. That's why no one calls Ether a scam, I'm pretty sure. That's why no one calls P3D a scam. No one calls these ETH contracts because they're decentralized through the contracts. That's the whole point. No matter who's behind it, no matter who's pitching it, as long as the code's out there. I'll tell you what is important is movement in life. Just because it's a smart contract thing doesn't mean it's invincible. No, no, no. Quite the opposite. We need to grow, just like you need to eat and drink. So do your daily dividends. You can't get no dividends without no stock. You can't have stock in a company without any employees. You can't have employees without a product, so on and so forth. So it's a working circle chain of daily dividends and Ethereum contracts and crypto. So I'm adding this to my portfolio. Check it out yourself. Right now, today, the price has been going up all day. If this thing catches flame, or let's see here. How do I buy in here? I already put in $1,000. All right, hang on. Exchange. All right. Now I transferred money to my MetaMask. Did it show up yet? Damn it. I wanted to buy some more on, okay, boom. So it's at 13 cents. This is what I was looking for. Okay, so this was at 11 cents an hour ago. It was at like 3 cents earlier today. I'm not going to be pumping and dumping this shit. I'm going to put in 20% buy tax, 5% fund tax. So there's nothing on the exit, only on the entry that's spread out. They don't take anything for themselves. That means it's no one's gonna get screwed until everyone just disappears, I guess. So let's roll with this. I'm rolling with it. Don't put your life savings in it. But and then it's got these little pop-up things too when people buy in, just like P3D did. Remember that? And you remember when that went away on P3D, how shitty it was for them? People stopped going in. And you know, I had so many good ideas for P3D. They had the team, they had the developers. P3D screwed off a lot of their promoters. That's why you don't see anyone talking about it. Because they weren't open to the market. We are the market. I'm the market. You're the market. And I believe that I'm gonna have, I now have pull in dailydivs.com. So if there's a time to get on these ETH contracts, it's early.